What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Hustle and Craft YouTube, and today we're going to show you how to start a t-shirt brand using DTF transfers. All right, the first step is go to fmexpressions.com and select DTF transfers. Then you're going to upload your artwork and select the size, and you can get transfers as low as $4.75. And for the t-shirts, we're going to use one of our wholesale vendors where we get t-shirts as low as 60 cents. Then once you got all your materials, you're going to set the heat press to 286 degrees. Next, you're going to place the transfers in the desired area of the shirt. Once you're done with placement, press for 10 seconds using medium pressure. After you press, let transfers cool for 10 seconds before peeling. I suggest you peel the transfer slow just in case there's any mistakes. That way you can always go back and repress. And that's pretty much it. And you can order these shirts at our website, tricitywholesale.com. They're only $20, all sizes available, small through 4X. Thanks for watching our YouTube. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow us for more.